Curious like us, you will want to know how oil is extracted from the ground. Senior Petroleum Engineer Roslyn Sealy tells us how.
Behind me here we have Woodburn well number 75, and this is a pumping well. You can tell because you have the pumping unit and you have a gas engine which is driving the well. So thousands of feet underground, maybe 2,000–3,000 feet, there are sands which we have opened in a process that we call perforating, and that allows the oil and gas to come into the well bore. This particular pumping well has a subsurface pump that then the operation of the unit causes the oil and gas that comes into the well bore to come to surface in the tubing that you see there. So a pumping well, there's a subsurface pump, and that is the means by which we bring the oil and gas from below the ground to surface. Many wells at the start of their life flow, which means that there's enough pressure for the oil and gas to come into the well bore and come to surface on their own. In that instance, you wouldn't see a pumping unit or a donkey as people currently refer to them as. But this, Woodburn number 75, this is a pumping well. This well has been producing since possibly the early 1980s, late 70s, early 80s, yes. So you would see equipment like this, which is really driven by the gas engine. So in that instance, some of the gas that is being produced from the same well is used to drive our engines. In some instances, and there are only about maybe 5 or so of these wells, they have electric motors where electricity is taken from the grid to operate those wells. So the majority of our pumping wells have gas engines which are driven from the same natural gas that is produced from the wells, and a lot fewer of them are produced by electric motor.
Join us next time as we tell you all about the Barbados National Oil Company Limited.